Check out what I got at the Gucci outlet in Orlando. This is my haul. I have waited to open this with you guys. So here it is. I went to the Gucci outlet in Orlando. And the customer service was great, actually. I thought it was going to be really shitty. But it was good. I ended up getting these awesome sunglasses. Wow, look at this pretty case that it came in velvet. I got, oh, my Gucci glasses. Yes. Yes. I got these at the Gucci outlet, and you guys can see me. So yeah, it comes with the case. It comes with the lens cleaner. Comes with the little duffel bag. And that is my Gucci haul from Orlando outlet. Thank you for watching. So this is the receipt. It's in the bag. And they put it in this cute little envelope. Hope my name doesn't come out, but this is how much the glasses were. $155 with tax. It's $168. You guys could see Gucci Orlando outlet. That is their address. Thank you. So check out the Orlando premium outlets. I just found out Gucci is here. So check out. Let's come inside. So here's the line. It's a little bit of a wait. There's a couple of people there. I waited about 8 minutes before I went in. They welcomed me, they gave me my own concierge, and I went crazy in the store. Yes? Or no? I ended up falling in love with those glasses, and I kind of like those, but I didn't like them too much. Oh, I like these. Like, that's looking real Jamaica-ish for me right now. I think that should be like my next look. Those were a little extra. The watches are beautiful. That's beautiful. Trying to show you guys everything. Hit me up. Their shoe selection was great. They had all the spring collection, summer, Disney to match Orlando. Oops. Since we're in Disney World, I gotta get this one too. Shout out to Orlando, Florida. Gucci outlet. We live, baby. We're on tour.